All right, check this out. This is our Elantra hybrid, 50 miles to the gallon. Haven't done a long video on one of these yet, so check it out. All right, this is a 22 Elantra hybrid. This is the limited model, rated at combined 50 fuel economy, 52 on the highway, 49 in town. Most people are experiencing that fuel economy, if not better. Just depends on how heavy your foot is. This is our most fuel efficient car we sell right now. A little bit better fuel economy than the Ioniq, and the Ionic's getting redesigned to a bigger SUV anyways. These can be hard to get. Let's check out the inside. New keyless entry system, where I just walk up to the doors. As long as I got the keys on me, I can open it. I don't have to hit any buttons anymore. This is a leather interior. This is the limited package, so you'll see a little bit different styling on the seats. All right, this is a push button start. You do have heated and cooled seats on this model. Dual climate control. It does have navigation, color touch display. It is the big display as well. So just like in the Santa Fe and the Palisade and the Tucson, you have the adjustable screen on the side there where you can have your clock and your fuel economy, and you can actually split your navigation screen up as well. And then with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, you can go split screen with it as well. Like our other Hyundai models, the new steering wheel, hands-free calling, very similar to previous models. And then you also have your automatic steering feature, your gap adjust for your cruise control on, and then your information pages where you can change what's directly in front of you, whether it's a compass, energy screen, lane keep assist, all that right on the screen there. Just like in the Ioniq, it does have a 12-volt battery reset, so if you don't drive it on a regular basis and you come in and the vehicle is dead, you can hit that battery reset and get yourself a jump start without actually having to hook up to a jump start, which is pretty awesome. You do have a camera view mode where you can pull up your rear view backup camera with just a press of a button. And then there's also the different drive modes. So you have a sport mode, you have a smart mode, and then you have a normal mode. Your smart mode is going to be your most fuel efficient mode as well. It does have Bose stereo system and seat memory. One does have a sunroof. Big back seat compared to the previous Elantra. I did run that seat back a little ways, but considerably bigger than the previous generation. Of course, with all of our vehicles, you get a lifetime powertrain warranty and 10 years roadside assistance on top of Hyundai's America's Best warranty, plus 3 years, 36,000 miles of free maintenance. So very well covered. So the Elantra has a push button, smart button in the back. And the trunk is very similar in size to the previous generation. Plus you can flip down the rear seats. Oh, I will tell you, I wish the handles were on the inside. This also does come with keyed remote start, where you can just hold this button down. You'll see the parking lights will start flashing. That means it is in remote start mode. So when you walk up to the vehicle and hop in, put your foot on the brake, you are in drive mode. No more need to hit the power button to go. You're just ready to go. Thanks again for checking out the video. If you'd like to know more, give me a call at 800-642-1566. I can tell you about all the different Hyundais we got coming in, Chevrolets as well. Again, you can reach me at 800-642-1566. Thanks again and have a great day.